Dear all, I would like to invite you for the upcoming question and answer session.
Being in one roof is not quite easy, isn't it? Because we are all filled with an image. Till now, we haven't been perfect, no doubt about it. But what was happening is we couldn't show our imperfections to our spouses and children because we spent very little time with them. Now, the case is reversed. We all are sitting under one roof. We are in a position to show our true nature or the color. Again, if you go little deep, it is not your true color. It has been resolved and manifested as a true color by your own self. You haven't identified your true nature yet. Children are in a position to be needy. They are young, they will cry, they will show tantrums, and they want attention, no doubt about it. How are you going to give the complete attention and also make yourself comfortable by providing it? You need to create an attitude where you understand that as a parent, I have certain roles, I have certain duties. That duty has to be taken care. I have to do all those works as per my responsibility, because children's expectations or people's expectations varies. It's very difficult to cater to everyone's need. It's very difficult to even satisfy them. So instead of thinking about other people's perspective, start thinking from your responsibility perspective, duty perspective. Am I able to do my duty to my best interest, like people's best interest? If that duty is done as per your knowledge and for the people's best interest, you should take it as a accomplishment. Instead of always thinking about acknowledgement, approval, if we could start thinking from the satisfaction point of view, from your own perspective, I think that will drive you to work on a right momentum, and it will give you more boosting. Now, coming to talk on children's need. Once you are very clear with your inner value system and what you're doing for your children, you would be able to keep up your inner peace. If you're able to keep up your inner peace, definitely you will be a good provider, a good caregiver to your children. You will be also able to manage your time along with your spouse or partner, talk it out, and you will be managing the children's schedules. Sometimes it is better to talk to children about your limits and also about your deficiencies and issues and problems. You may think that they are very little ones. Yes, they are little ones, but you can tell them that today it's a difficult day because you had some bad news coming up. So children will be, to some extent, not to this clarity of pandemic and disease and death, but to some extent children can be told about the issues which is bothering you, and say them that today you were not able to be an enthused mother or enthused father. That will help the children to realize that yes, parents too can have a limitation. It will bring in some kind of a sensibility which will help them later in their life. I think first, as I told you earlier in my videos and sessions, that we need to resolve, introspect, find out a right resolve, keep up our inner peace to move on, and focus on interpersonal relationship too.
Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and click the notification icon for updates.